So guys, this was our entry right here. Okay, and sorry, our entry right here. Our SL was just here. Then when we moved to a certain level here, we moved the SL from down to this level so that we are free from whatsoever risk that want to come up, right? So and we smashed our TP1 somewhere here. This was our TP1 somewhere here, and we are about to hit the TP2. Okay, so this is how we do. So now let me quickly show you guys why I took this trade. Okay, if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. Okay, so this was our entry, like I said, and why we took this trade, you can say this is a support. Okay, it's not just a support, this is a key support. Key support are the ones you identify on the higher time frame, like the daily or the 4 hours time frame. So let's quickly check the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is it. This is it. Okay, you can see this resistance line here. Okay, so if we want to go back, you can see that price has been reversing at that point. You can see there was a reversal here, there was another reversal here. Okay, and if you go back, you can see price reversed at this very line before, another one here. Okay, several times. That makes it a key level. You can see price reversed at this point, another one here. Okay, several times. So that makes it a key support level on our chart. Okay, so now after the price dropping at that key support level, now the first thing you need to identify the support level. Okay, it must be a very strong one, a reliable support. Okay, so how do you know? Once you have price reversing at that point like 2 or 3 times on a higher level, sorry, on a higher time frame like the daily or the 4 hours time frame, that is when you know that that's a strong level on your chart. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do, you need to wait for candlestick to drop, price to drop to that level. Then you need to see the candlestick that printed on that very zone, on that very zone. What I mean by zone, this support zone here. Okay, so once price drops, gets to this support level, what you need to do is for you to go to a lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame to see the movement. So I waited on the 15 minutes time frame. I saw price dropping the first time. I knew it wanted to take the first the first guys out, the first guys that want to enter, that want to buy, moves up. So the first guys entered around this level here, and they placed their SL somewhere here. Before you know it, price went down, push up, and poof, it's their SL out, right? So once this level was broken down to this level here, there are sellers, aggressive traders that want to sell at this point. They start selling at these 4 points here, and you see price going up and smash their SL again. Okay, so another aggressive traders want to buy at this point. Price went down and smashed their SL again. They went up and break this level. So what I was actually waiting for, because I knew price will be trying to break, the manipulation is them breaking, taking people's money, hitting your SL and taking your money so that you get tired and leave the trade, so that they'll be able to control the market, right? You'll be able to control the market the way they want. So I decided to wait for price to do whatever he has to do around this level. So you can see the manipulation. Then I waited for this range to be broken. Then after the break of this range, okay, this level was broken, price went up. I knew price will be coming down. Okay, price will be coming down to retest this point again, this range again. So I waited for price to drop down. Immediately price dropped down to this range. What I did was, I wasn't too sure of the 15 minutes time frame, so I had to go to 30 minutes time frame and wait for 30-minute candlestick to close. So 30 minutes candlestick closed with bullish candlestick. So after the closing price, I opened a position at this point, and my SL was just very close to the my entry. So you can see we smashed TP1, okay, and we are about to smash TP2, or very close to our TP2. It will definitely smash the TP2. So this is what I've been teaching my students. When you're setting your TP, it should be below your resistance level. You should not place it at the resistance level. You must place it few pips below the resistance level, because price may want to dance around that level and drop back. Okay, so because whenever price gets to a resistance or support level, it tends to react close to that level. Sometimes it touches the line, sometimes it goes above the line, or sometimes below the line, few pips below the line. So that's why we place our SL here. You can see what it's doing now. It might do like this and start going down, but then I'm too sure, because I see price drop, push it up to this level here. We don't want to be greedy. We just want to stay here and take our profits, right? So we are the base, guys. Oh, okay, can quickly check. See, this is our Telegram channel. This is our VIP channel. You can see the signal here running here. We are making good profit. we're making good profit. We dropped like three signals today. Yeah, this is another signal. Yeah, this is another signal here. We're making good profits, guys. We're making good profits, right? So this is the platform. We are the base. This was yesterday. You can see the profits we're making, right? We're always making profit, guys. So I'll advise everybody to join the winning team, guys. Join the winning team, okay? Yeah, join the winning team. So we wait for to see what price gonna do. If it doesn't hit our TP, then we close with little profit. There's no problem. We so far we know what we're doing. We still gonna stay win every day. We win every day. We stay consistent. We win every day. Okay, so yeah, so after identifying your support properly, okay, the next thing you need to be sure is the candlesticks. Okay, you must be sure of the candlesticks around this level here. You check on the 30 minutes time frame here, as you can see on the 30 minutes time frame. You see the candlesticks we were having here. If you know your candlesticks very well, because one thing I'm certain, my students, all my students, they know. You see, when it comes to candlesticks, they are aware of candlesticks. Then they know almost all the candlesticks. Okay, and they know how they are moving, they are like their movements. Okay, so now when price gets to this support level here, you must be certain, you must be sure of the candlesticks printed at this zone. Okay, you must be sure of candlesticks printed at this zone. If the candlestick tells you to buy, okay, then you should be looking for buying opportunity. So at this very point here, I saw so many candlesticks here. Okay, though on the 1 hour time frame we have um um checkmates. Okay, this is what we call checkmate candlesticks. You can see we have so many candlesticks here, tiny candlesticks around this level with some shadows. Okay, this is checkmate candlestick formation. Okay, you can see we have so many candlesticks at this point. This shows that um this shows that we don't have enough momentum again in the market, right? So price pushes up, okay, at this point here. So all I was looking for, I wanted to see a breakout. I wanted to see price breaking this range, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame. I wanted to be sure that this range is broken. You see this range got broken here. Let me put a line there. So this range got broken. After this range got broken, price went up, returned back to this level. You know, as if you want to be a successful trader, you must always wait for a retest. Okay, so price came back to retest at this very point here, and we go long from here. So I waited for price to push up to okay, I waited for 30 minutes candlestick to close, because the higher the time frame, the stronger the candlestick and stronger your analysis. Okay, so I had to wait for 30 minutes to close for me to be so sure that price is going to push away from this level here and see what is happening. So after this 30 minutes candlestick, I opened a position at that very level, and you can see we are running good profit, and very soon we are smashing our TP2 at this point. Remember, TP1 was here and our TP2 is somewhere here. So we are definitely smashing TP. Okay, right? And also you need to be sure of your time frame. Sorry, your trend, the market trend, the market direction, the trend of the market. You can see this is an uptrend. Let's go on the 4 hours. You can see price is going up like this. You can see price is going up like this. You can see price is going up like this. It has been going up like this. So this is an uptrend. So when you're buying, it moves faster, but if you're selling, it's not moving faster. Okay, why is it moving faster? Because this is impulsive move. This is, we have impulse and we have correction. Okay, so when it's going up, it's an impulse. It creates some impulsive moves to the upside. So you must be certain that this is an uptrend for you to buy. Okay, if it's a downtrend, you need to look for selling opportunity, right? So that's it, guys. If you want to learn how to analyze this market properly, just check the description area. You see my links, join my links, and okay, so yeah, chat me up on WhatsApp, Telegram, and also let me be your mentor. Okay, let me mentor you on how to become a successful trader here, and don't trade blindly without having the proper knowledge, or you need to sign up for signals, but you must be sure that this person knows how to provide signals, and also is a good mentor if you want to wants him to mentor him or her to mentor you, you must be certain that that person is good enough to mentor you. He knows what he's actually doing. Okay, don't just give your money out to scammers. Okay, so give your money out to people that you're sure will give you what you want. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Let me be your mentor, guys. I'll give you my very best. And also, if you subscribe for mentorship, it comes automatically comes with my VIP lifetime VIP signals. Okay, as you're paying for mentorship, I'll add you on my VIP platform, okay, signal platform for you to equally make money while you're learning, right? Okay, so yeah, that'll be all for now, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, the subscribe button, and join our free Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, a lot of stuff is coming up, guys. Trust me, a lot of stuff is coming up, guys. So join the those platforms. Let's grow together. I love you guys. Bye bye.